when was the last time you read the book? Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with yet another interesting topic for everyone. As you would have seen it in the thumbnail, it's for all those book lovers out there. So the topic is on reading books. So my favorite books, I'll be telling you guys what are my favorite books, what I'm reading book at present. Everything will be shown in this video, so please do watch the video till end. So without wasting any more time, let us go forward. And before that guys, if you have not watched our previous video, that is this on coronavirus, so what are the latest updates of coronavirus, then you can go in the description box. You will be having the link of the previous video, so you can go there and watch it. But before that, please watch this video till end guys. And so when was the last time you read the book? I think so a few hours ago, because from 3 months we are at home, lockdown, so everyone maybe would be reading some novels, right? So when was the last time you read a book? Write it down in the comment section below guys. And what book was it? What was the name of the book? You can write it in the comment section. I'll be happy to read that guys. So now without wasting any more time, let's go. So reading has a lot of benefits. So we read education books like our textbooks, school textbooks. We read that. But even reading novels gives a lot of benefits. School textbook gives us knowledge, but even reading novels gives us knowledge. So the first thing that researchers show that when we read a novel, our brain is active and it prevents it from losing power. And the second benefit is that no matter how much stress we have, it may be the work stress, that is the study stress, or personal relationship stress, then any stress in your life you may be having guys. We all have the stress. So any stress you have, whenever you start reading a book, you feel like you are in heaven. You love the story. You just get submerged you just get focused. You are focused on that book. You forget everything. So it happens now guys with you guys. So all the book lovers would be totally relating this to themselves. So the another benefit is that our vocabulary strengthens up. Yes guys, reading a non-fiction or fiction on any novel, we come across so many words, so our vocabulary strengthens up. So one more benefit is that whenever, it's my personal experience, whenever we read a book, we just forget what is our surrounding things, like what's the time, where is our mobile, we just forget that. So we are totally focused, we are totally into it, we just focus on that story and we just forget everything. We even forget that we have to eat food. So can you guys relate to it guys? Write it down in the comment section below guys. So the under this is reading improves our concentration. Yes, reading improves our concentration. And one more benefit guys, reading enhances our memory, because we remember those story incidents, story characters, we remember everything, right? So it enhances our memory. So there are so many benefits of reading novels. So I hope by seeing all these benefits, all those, if non-book lovers are here, then they would feel that yes, reading book is really an awesome part, and they'll start reading. I think so after this video, I think those person will start reading a novel. I'm sure that everyone will start reading a novel. So now I will just say what are my favorite books until now. So the first is this, Enid Blyton, The Famous Five. So I just really love this book guys. The 5 people, they're so adventurous, they go everywhere, they just adventure, they find some island, there's And so I just read it because I really love this book, and I'm sure that all those adventurous person would really love it. So you can also read this book. I have read mostly all the series of Famous Five. I have all the series of Famous Five. So you should also read that, guys. So the next my favorite book is this, The Mountain of Adventure. Actually, it's a 2-in-1 book. So this is river and mountain adventure book. So I really love any adventure, maybe it be water adventure or mountain adventure. I love land adventure. I love everything. So this book is really, I just love this book. It's also by Enid Blyton, and as I can say, Enid Blyton is my favorite writer. I literally love his books. I literally love it because it is adventures, and I literally love it, and I totally recommend you guys also to read this book once in your life. I did. This is, every adventure person should read this pakka. And if you guys are reading the Enid Blyton book, so you can write it in the comment section. You are reading this because I feel excited to read your comments. So this is my favorite book. So these two are my favorite books. So what are your favorite books, guys? So you can also just write it down here in the comment section. So I'll read it and I'll comment to you guys too. And presently I am reading this book called The Secret to Teen Power. So this I am reading it presently, and I really love it. It's very useful for all our teenagers. So I am mostly completed reading this book. Very less pages are left, and I am this that everyone should read it. All teenagers, all my friends, everyone should read this, guys, because I am totally recommending you. If you don't have this book, you should buy it and read this because it's based on law of attraction, how we attract people, how we the love and everything, how we should have the power of gratitude. So all this is said in this book, that we should have a power of gratitude. So I really love this book. So everyone should read this book, guys, because it's really awesome. So you should read it because here is the secret, as you can see. So it's the secret to our successful life as a teenager, how we can be successful in our further life. So it's all those secrets. So you should read it, guys. I recommend you this book. So this is it, guys. These are my favorite books and presently reading books. So if you are presently reading any books, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy if you guys are reading some book which I have not read yet. Then I'll also try to buy that and read it. So until then, here the video ends. But we'll be coming up next week, same day, same time, with yet another interesting topic. So wait for it, guys. And until then, stay home, stay safe, and enjoy yourself.